What you say? Come over to the tree.
You say you can't buy no present for we. Then I want it on the channel and a present for we.
Girl, I'm tell you my birthday this year, I can't afford no present for you.
You're not broke. I want it.
My broke, girl.
You're not broke. I say I have a Christmas tree.
Few words to learn before you go to Jamaica. Make sure you go down here, use them. Guava. Where? Say the word good. Guava. Say guava. Guava. Say guava. Yes. Say gudong. Gudong. Say gudong. Gudong. Dushan need the accent. Say gudong. Jesus Christ. Dushan. Say gudong. Oh Jesus. Gurong. 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 Don't say gurong, say gurong. Jesus God. Dushan, leave the accent. Put on the accent. Just when you go to me, you can't leave with the accent. Leave it here. Practice. Say gurong.
Gurong.
Galang.
Galong.
I can't imagine a future without you. Will you marry me?
What?
Will you marry me?
Move further from them.
You don't want to marry me?
Move from in front of me, bro. Get up.
Here?
Move from in front of me.
What you mean?
You get that away from me.
You don't want to marry me?
No, get away from
You
me.
could have just said that. Why do you want to marry me?
Get away from me.
Wasn't the approach?
No, get away from me. Don't do that. Get away from me.
I love you though.
No, get away from me. Don't do that.
Can I get a hug?
No, get away from me.
Please?
What did I just say? Get
don't
away
know.
from me, bro. The fuck?
Yo, my
Don't
fault.
do that. Don't fucking do that. I want to bum fuck like that, dog.
Alright.
Don't do them fuck with it, bro. When I play prank, you know, do them bullshit, them, bro. I want to bum fuck like that, man. Don't get me dark, you know, this pussy clock, you know. All me I tell you move, you still a pussy clock, push up your, how air boy. I'm a liquor shot, you pussy clock, you party man.